Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, hAcKs? It's GoldieBlox, and you guys know how much I love a good funky DIY. The messier, the gooier, the glowier, is that a word? The better. I love it when it looks alive. And that's why today I'm bringing you these 3 DIYs that are live creativity realness. It's time to hack your world. And for our first DIY, we have some good, clean fun. We made a cloud. Comment down below what you think this is. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, so you comment down below. Okay, let's do it. Cool. It's soap. This turned into that. Science Goldie. The air bubbles in the soap contain water molecules. And then the water makes up the soap. The expanding effect, which makes it the cloud, is caused by the microwave because it heats up the water molecules in the soap. So it expands. You have to get the ivory soap because ivory is whipped more and there's more oxygen molecules inside of it. 2 minutes. Holy. It's alive. We actually got so big that it stopped turning. Whoa, and it smells like a bath. Now you gotta let this cool before you play with it because it does retain heat. Let's now make it a person. Oh, look at that mouth. So then you're gonna snip the pipe cleaner, pull apart the hairs off the wire, and then you're just gonna, yep, look at that weave. Everyone meet Steve. We should make him a girlfriend. Look at those Kylie Jenner lips. Look at that couple photo. Time to destroy. It feels like you destroyed a pillow. And the heat softens the soap so it becomes pliable. Soap babe. And for our next hack, we have rainbow paper. It's basically black paper, water, and nail polish. Look at that. This DIY works kind of the same way of water and oil. Water and nail polish oppose each other. It makes this really cool pattern on the paper. So the way this kind of plays into live creativity is basically if you move it in the light, it moves. Let's wish on a hack and hack this star garland. For this DIY, you're gonna need a bowl filled with water, clear nail polish, black paper, a drying rack, fishing wire, and a white pen. First, pour the nail polish and quickly scoop your paper in and out of the water. Once it's dry, cut out your shapes and hang on the fishing wire. Ta-da! It's hollow, but not. And for our last hack, we have a glow stick xylophone. When you fill up water to different levels, it sounds different, it gets lower the more water you add. So basically, we're making it glow in the dark. When you hit the glass and you put the glow stick in it, it's supposed to enhance the glowiness. I don't really know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. So, crack it. This is gonna be a long process. Home stretch, guys. Last one. In theory, when the lights are off and you hit it, it amplifies the glowiness and it projects it. Hope this works. Oh my gosh, wow, did you see it glow? I'm kidding, it didn't work. I mean, it looks cool, it sounds cool. I don't really care if it works or not. I still like it. That is all I have for you guys today. Today was a weird one. Comment down below what your favorite was. My favorite was the soap cloud. It it's fluffy. Second of all, the texture is phenomenal. Third of all, it's science. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Carla Joseph. She is an OG subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys liked my video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday and Saturday. If you guys want to be part of the creative squad, make sure to hit that notification button. Till next time, hackers, GoldieBlox signing off. Bonus hack, hit the subscribe button. That's it. So easy. And now you get super cool DIYs every Friday.